Hey guys, I usually don't do reviews, but this guitar is great. Yeah, here's the vision, pickups, and everything. If you'd like to hear how it sounds, it's connected to this pedal. It's true bypass like in the tuner, and it's plugged in this small speaker. It's through the wires, so that I don't get any delay or latency. So here it goes. Let's see. It sounds pretty good. Let's put some effects here. It's just yeah, sounds good. That's it. Yeah, and this is the pedal, which I do recommend as well. Really good.